keep forgetting that you don't have that many invincibility frames. Well, like I said before, if the game has pretty good context clues, or it just shows you on the map things that you missed, then it's fine, but, you know. Friendly Metroid ever. See, here's the problem. The first game, the devs said the game was too easy, so they made this harder. But in terms of getting 100%, then maybe, yeah. Because maybe they don't actually show where everything is, like some other Metroidvania games. Which in that case, then yes, I would say that it's not friendly. But gameplay-wise, I think there's harder games, for sure. Especially some really stupid Metroidvania games.